Guys, welcome back. Straho here, this time in my cave. I am upgrading the exhaust manifold of my epic old school motorcycle. I will probably shoot a video on that too, but now back on a computer related topic. I have found this rare dual P5 motherboard. I'm so happy with it. It will give me the opportunity to create a custom circa 1996 workstation, and oh boy, I have got plans for it. For starters, the board, just look at it, it's amazing. 8 SIM slots for up to 512 megabytes of system memory. This is an apocalyptically huge amount of memory for the mid-90s. The chipset on this board, it is the Intel 430HX Node Bridge, this guy over here, also known as the Triton 2. In addition to the original Triton, it adds support for error correction and parity random access memory, two-way SMPs, dual processors, that's obvious guys, and the last version of PCI to that date to improve system speed. This South Bridge, this guy here, the 82439HX, it introduces USB 1.0, that's the header here, and adds support for external I/O APIC. Speaking of the external APIC, here it is, the advanced programmable interrupt controller. By default, the P5 processor has an integrated APIC, but because we have an SMP here, obviously again, we need this additional one to properly distribute and manage the interrupt requests. Along with all those chips guys, this SMC chip here is in charge of the floppy and COM ports and parallel ports. What else? The real-time clock is in this all-in-one package module. Other than that RTC logic inside, there is a battery-backed SRAM memory. I do not like those packages because they are usually soldered to the board and it is harder to replace them when the battery is drained. But 10 points for Tyan, the board's manufacturer, this one is in a socket. BIOS, keyboard controller, USB header as I told you, and a PS2 header as well. This board is amazing and I will give you more information about it when I shoot my part selection video. Processors, 2, if you haven't already figured it out, but of course you did, and I told you like 3 times before. Pentiums up to 233 MHz in speed, and of course with multimedia extension supported. Absolute beast. And I will now give you some hints on what I have got in my head about this machine. SCSI hard drive up to 80 megabytes per second and 500,000 hours mean time between failures. That is more than 57 years guys, Caveman approves. I'm gonna put something like 4 gig in size, I suppose, to match the amazing amount of system memory this board supports. A video card, something from 3D Labs or maybe from Matrox. A sound card needs to be cool, something triangular from ATSEC. And yes, I'm gonna put an MPEG 2 DVD standalone decoder because I want to watch DVDs like a boss. The case, open fighter style case, I will drill the rivets and paint the case in I have no idea what color yet, but it's gonna be cool. A CPU cooling, air or something more extravagant. LED temperature gadgets, voltmeters, I will absolutely lose it for this one because it is amazing. This is absolutely one of the coolest boards I have ever found. Now, I have originally planned to build a 286 machine after my 486 Vessel Local Bus videos, but if you prefer this one, leave a comment below or vote in my Facebook poll on my Facebook page. I will do whatever you decide guys. Enough talking, lots of work to be done on this one. As always, your company was my privilege. If you liked this video, leave a comment, like it, or even subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Computer Caveman out and stay safe.